Essence and Ulta Beauty have teamed up for an amazing mentor partnership called Girls United Beautiful Possibilities.
A critical part of launching a makeup collection is how we engage with the consumer in the live experience. So we're gonna take a second and think about an event that we have coming up, Beauty Carnival. Everything Black beauty right at your fingertips. And you guys get a first-hand opportunity to see what's gonna be happening there.
So why do you think that live events and activations are so important when you're launching a brand?
I think it gives the customer an opportunity to connect with your brand. Everything becomes real for them and they can conclude what they want. Would I buy that?
So ladies, you are going to be on stage revealing the entire collection you're creating with us at Beauty Carnival in front of over 10,000 attendees.
I was a little terrified, but like excited at the same time.
We have your prototypes here today for you guys to check out.
Is this really ours? Like, this is amazing.
Keep following your dreams and putting forth the work, and it'll happen.